Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have told about hairstyle for girls, all types of which I will tell you in this video. I have told you all the hairstyle which are trending now and you will like all the hairstyle. You can make this hairstyle for any functions. If it is someone's wedding function, then you can easily make this hairstyle as per your dress. All the girls like to get different types of hairstyle, so I have told you many hairstyle for long hair, all of which are different. If you find a hairstyle according to your wedding, then this is the best. If you are new to my channel and you like my channel, then subscribe my channel so that you can get notification when my new videos are uploaded. If you are looking for hairstyle according to designer sari, then you will definitely like this pony hairstyle and it will also look good on sari. Go to the parlor and get the hairstyle for your choice made yourself. Stay tuned with the videos because I am going to show you a lot of design in this video. If you don't watch the video till the end, you will miss many hairstyle. In future also we will take similar board design that you will definitely like. This video is going to be very helpful for you. You can get many ideas from this video, so watch the video till the last. You will no longer need to worry about hairstyle. You can easily make it yourself by looking at this hairstyle. If you want a flower bun hairstyle, then I have told so many hairstyles that you will definitely like one or the other. I think you will like all of them. Share this video as much as possible so that everyone can vibe my video. You can make this hairstyle on all the suits and designer dresses. Open hairstyle has been told in a lot. You will definitely like it. I hope you like this video. See you with new videos. Thanks for watching my video.